Today I will be talking about inequalities in the schools is the topic I chose to talk about. Obviously, my name is Maggie Foster. And so, what is an inequality? So, the dictionary definition of inequality is the difference in size, degree, and circumstances, etc., or just basically a lack of equality. So, a lack of funds, a lack of anything that one person or one group might lack that another group has. What we're looking at for this specific class, an example, is more of like a social inequality, which means the existence of unequality and a lot of developed areas. Corner a little bit off the person because she has that. So people and the hairs in this together. Even the poor are like inequality to do so. Upper could get that. That information and textbooks, whereas to even so higher they don't need developed areas them in need areas everywhere. Computer, I know there's progression in that inequalities inside the schools.